Hi everyone, Zach here. I'm standing with some cows here on lot 2. Check them out. I just wanted to give you a quick update of what we've been doing the last week or so. We've been talking with contractors and some other people to start working out here. And what we're going to do, we've also been mowing. You can kind of see we started mowing down the pasture, and also we moved the cow troughs, which is the cows, they like the mowed grass. That's kind of why they're hanging around here. But their cow troughs were there, and now they are all the way down there. But we've been meeting with people and lining up work, which is today is actually the first day of starting to see some things happening. So what we're going to do is this fence and the gate and all along the south boundary here, and then the east boundary over there, and then this fence right here is going to be removed, and we're going to put a fence in between the lot to the north where the ditch separates essentially our boundary. So we're going to move these fences, and then what we're going to do is remove this vegetation right here. So all this vegetation behind me is going to get cleared out. There's actually a ditch back there, and we're going to use that ditch for our drainage. Essentially everything is going to drain from the from the east coming here to the west. It's going to drain into the ditch right here, and then move. The ditch flows north into some other canals and things, and away from the property. So we'll have beds and drainage starting to come. So I don't know if you can see it kind of way out there. What is it, cow right there? But way out there on the road is the excavator that's coming in today, and it will be starting to clean out the ditch, all the vegetation and things. Once the vegetation is gone here, they're gonna mix it up in a pile, and we're gonna have a large tractor with a disc come out and disc up this whole field, clean out this crazy smut grass, and it'll just be dirt. And then a bulldozer is gonna come in and start making the beds and rows and things like that. So we've also been talking with irrigation suppliers and vendors and services and things, starting to line up that work as well. So anyways, just want to give you a quick update, say hi to the cows, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. As you can see the excavator behind me, we are ripping out the trees and putting them in a pile over here, down there, where the cows are. So trees are coming out today. We might even get started on the fence here today, we'll see. But things are moving forward now, and making progress. Hi everyone, it is the end of day, Friday November 22nd, 2019, and the place is looking very different around here. Check it out. So we got pretty much all the field mowed and all the trees are down. And what's even more exciting is this over here. So the fence went up today on the north boundary line. Fence and gate was moved, and this fence, the one, this is our west, south, and then east. Those will be coming down either tomorrow or early next week. So check this out. Here's the fence. Cow troughs down there, fence, gate, and there it goes. And then even more exciting is this over here. Here's the ditch. You can actually see the pipes that are in there. Those pipes that are in there are pipes from the field right here next to us, where it was a former citrus grove, still has the raised beds and the furrows, and it drained into this ditch and then flowed into a canal. So essentially using what was already here. Yeah, like I said, it looks very different. So we have great things going on. We are moving forward, and the schedule for next week is a very large tractor and a disc will come in early next week, and hopefully before the holiday, before Thanksgiving next week, we are going to have the first pass of the disc, and that's going to tear up all this grass. All that grass is going to be torn up and look kind of like this. So it's just going to make it dirt. Really exciting for that to come in. And then we're going to let that sit for a few days. Let all the smut grass and stuff here, all the grass and all that gets overturned. So we're going to let that sit and kind of die, and then come in and do it again. Probably not 3 times, but I think twice, because this is a very large machine, very large disc that instead of doing it 30 times with a small tractor, we're just going to do it once, do it right with a big one. And then over here there's the bulldozer arrived today, and the bulldozer is going to push a lot of this dirt around and push a lot of this dirt over here, and then it's going to start with making the beds and furrows and all that. So yeah, that's the schedule for moving forward. And the fence, I don't know if I already said it already, but the fence should be coming down early next week as well. So, but the cows are on lot 3, 4, and the ones to the north, so they're not an issue. And we're ready to move forward with some big equipment, get the drainage done. Irrigation will be pretty much ready to go right after that, and then we'll be looking at planting. So very exciting moving forward, and I just want to thank everyone and see you on the next video.